What's going on, everyone? Welcome. The lovely voice you are hearing is the voice of Denzel. In today's video, I'm not really going to be doing any art. Today, I'm going to be talking. So, this is more like a podcast. So, plug in your headphones or pimp up the volume and let's get started. So, today, I want to talk about one advice, the greatest advice that made me and is still making me a better artist. So, this will hopefully help you as well. And the advice is really simple. And in a short amount of time, we should be able to cover it. All right, the advice goes like this: art, just like life, is a marathon and not a sprint. Let that sink in. I'll repeat that. Art, just like life, it's a marathon and not a sprint. All right. Now, let me explain. The truth is that you cannot become a pro overnight. It is not possible. No matter what anyone tells you, you cannot wake up the next morning and have amazing art talents and gifts. All right. It is not possible. No matter how gifted you are, you still need practice to become a pro. So stop thinking that the greats made it in one day, or because you didn't have amazing art in 2 days that you are done. All right, it is a marathon. If you sprint, you will get tired and you will just give up. Not even up to halfway there. So we need to start slow, get the stamina, and get to the finish line. And when you get there, you will be very happy when you look back, and you can celebrate with the legends. Well, I am still running, and I hope you are too. This video has been fun, guys, or podcast. Thank you so much for watching or listening. And if you like this video, do well to subscribe, share with your friends so they know what they need to do to get better. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching or listening.